Good morning, everybody. It is 9:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, September 19th, 2025. This is a new high magnitude earthquake calculation warning video for Russia, Alaska, Japan, France, Poland, Germany, Alaska, Canada, Washington, California, Utah, Nevada, Indonesia, the Philippines, Papua New Guinea, New Zealand, Spain. Nevada got the 3.5 just 51 minutes ago. Japan, Taiwan, I mentioned, Vanuatu, South Sandwich Islands, Greece, Turkey, Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Chile, Argentina, Brazil, Bulgaria, Africa, South Africa, Mozambique, Iceland, of course, Philippine Sea. Been doing this since 2021. Smash that like button, everybody. The donation links will be in the description box of this video. Used to have 5,000 subscribers. New Caledonia is included. Peru, India is included. France, the United Kingdom, Greenland, Svalbard, Portugal, Azores Islands, Portugal, as well. Yep, Oregon, Washington, Mexico, Nicaragua, Ecuador, so far for today we have 1716.0, 35 5s, 92 4s, 161 3s, and 332.0s, with a total of 620. Smash that like button, you guys. Share this video with friends, family, and coworkers, and I'll see you on the next update. Have a great day.